Hi guys, it's a hot summer day out here, and what's even hotter is that our Dollar Tree just became a Dollar Tree Plus, so we're gonna go check it out. Still a lot of the same normal fare except these, which I haven't seen, and they're over $2 at Walmart right now, so I'm grabbing those while I can. Okay, so there's full-size bakeware, including this covered cake pan. There's even glass bakeware for like a casserole dish. This is a nice sturdy one here from Libby. And then there's also cupcake pans, you know, the full dozen, not the little tiny ones that's usually here. And full-size pizza pans also. These are large, probably about 16-inch. So a lot of good buys here, including pillows, rugs. These pre-printed rugs are really nice, these doormats here. And a lot of decorative items that I haven't seen in the past, of course, including these large baskets. Nice sturdy containers. But honestly, for $5, I don't know. Or if it's just all really cute right now. Ooh, I do love these. And I'm not one that likes glass items in the bathroom because I'm just sure I'm going to knock them off the sink and break them. But these are really cute. Love those. For $5, that's really, really nice. The t-shirt selection is pretty much on par with Five Below that we have in our area. Great designs for just $5. But some of the cleaning supplies and things that are $3 and $5, I don't know. I really think maybe I would stick with Walmart, or maybe just going back to the Dollar Tree dollar size that I usually get, or $1.25 size, I should say. Not that these aren't larger, but the ones I'm seeing so far are just not really something that I specifically buy, except the wipes, and $5 a canister. I don't know about that, so I have to do a little price matching.
What's with the stuttering today anyway?
Admit I got a little distracted and I'm already back to the normal $1.25 aisles. I was looking at the cleaning supplies and I thought I saw the orange spray sanitizer, and it was actually picture polish. And a little disappointed because I thought they had citrus sanitizer spray. Now I keep looking for the citrus and I absolutely love the scent, but it's for furniture, so I'm not going to be polishing my couch anytime soon. So I'm still looking, and of course I'm looking at everything except what I came for. I'm sure you all do that too if you're dollar store frequenters, and we get sidetracked by all these wonderful things. But I do know I'm cleaning out my craft supplies, so I've got to get out of this aisle, guys. I decided I'd give it one more run through just to see if there's anything that I missed that I might like to pick up, or that's especially a good value. Right now I think I'm just a little overwhelmed with the heat and the newness of it all. So I came in the other day, a couple days ago, they had just put this in as far as I know, and there were so many people in here that I left fairly quickly because I wanted to come back and check it out for myself. I don't wear sandals, but it seems like these are a really good deal. Those are really cute. My daughter would absolutely love those. So yeah, I mean, I think there were some really great buys here. I just don't see anything I'm grabbing right now. I'm gonna head over to the food section and see if I can pick up any good vegan steals for $1.25. Okay, these organizers for $5 are a pretty good deal. These hanging organizers right here. The skinny ones and the fuller shelf ones. Those are great, especially if you have kids and you wanna lay out their outfits for the week.
I got a little lost, guys.
I have to say I really love this stuff, and I know there's only 4 packets per box, but it's really good, especially when you're a junk food junkie like I am.
I'm home, I'm sweaty, I'm tired, but I'm really glad I took a tour of the new Dollar Tree Plus just for fun, and hopefully you enjoyed it as well. Thanks, guys. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't for more fun videos like this.